Namaskar. My name is Rati Saxena. I'm from India. My best wishes to Ronda Poetry Festival, Portugal. I'm reading one poem for the festival, first into Hindi, which is my own mother tongue, and then translation into English. The poe- poem is like this. कभी होता है झरना. मैंने कहा था ना, कभी सिंह नहीं, सिर्फ झरना होता है. फिर क्यों तुम मुझसे थर्रा उठे? झरना कोई बांध नहीं तोड़ता. झरना शहरों को भी नहीं डुबोता. झरना शहरों के पास जंगल की गाथा ले जाता है. शहरों को याद दिलाता है वे ध्वनियां जिन्हें सुनना उनके कान भूल गए थे. वे रागिनियां जिन्हें सुनना दुश्वार हो चुका था. रोशनी में बुनी अंधेरी परछाइयां, जमीन के हकदार जीवों की कहानियां. मैंने तो कह दिया था ना कि कभी सिंह नहीं होता, कि जंगल वासियों के हिस्से का पानी पी जाए और बन जाए भोक्ता अपनी ही प्रजा का. कभी सिर्फ झरना होता है. मैंने कहा था ना, झरना सिर्फ आवाज देता है और जंगल आ जुटता है. शहर भी दौड़ा चला आता है. झरना सिर्फ जान देता है नदी में विलय होकर, जिसमें तुम अपना मैला झोंक देते हो. कभी सिर्फ झरना ही था, तो फिर शासन क्यों डर गया? नदी क्यों चुप आ गई? जेल की सलाखें झरने को बांध नहीं सकती. गीला ठंडा फर्श कवि की देह को नहीं, बल्कि उसकी आवाज को आजाद करता है. कभी सिर्फ झरना होता है. मेरी आवाज पहुंचेगी धरती के गर्भ में, फिर उगेगी पौधा बनकर. तुम कितनी ही सलाखों में बांध दो, मेरी आवाज पसरेगी दिक दिगांतर. दिक दिगांतर. This poem is written for a poet, Varvar Rao, who was present due to his social activities, and he is a great poet. I have written for him. Now, this same poem is in English. The poet is a waterfall. Didn't I tell you? A poet is a waterfall, not a lion. Then why are you terrified of me? The waterfall doesn't destroy dams. The waterfall does not drown the cities. The waterfall brings to the cities the sagas of forest. It reminds the cities of those sounds which their ear have long forgotten to listen. Those melodies which were onerous to listen. The dark shadows spun in the light, the stories of being who are entitled to the earth. I had indeed told you. So, a poet is not a lion that would drink from the forest dwellers' share of water and become the possessor of its own paper. Poet is just waterfall. Didn't I tell you so? The waterfall just calls out and a jungle gets together. Even the city come running to the waterfall, gives up its life by merging into river, which you throw your dirt in. The poet is just waterfall. So why our king is terrified? Why the river is silenced? The bar of prison can't keep waterfall. The wet cold floor frees not the body, but the voice of poet. The poet is just a waterfall. My voice will reach the womb of the earth, then it will sprout like a plant. No matter how long you put me behind the bars, my voice will spread far and wide. Translated by Shelley Bowl from Hindi. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to read a poem for your festival. Thanks a lot.